This is our Makeblock Halocode, designed especially for the current coding education. It is a wireless single-board computer. We just embedded 12 programmable RGB LEDs, a motion sensor, 4 touch sensors, a programmable button, microphone, a micro USB connector, a dual-core Wi-Fi module, etc., onto an incredibly small circuit board. No, smaller. No, smaller than that. Yes, that's small. So, you can learn to code with it anywhere, anytime. Starting with MBlock, everyone can code by just dragging and dropping the command blocks. It's as simple as stacking building bricks. By featuring a microphone module, you can also use Halocode to perform AI speech recognition.
Green.
Through MBlock's integrated Google machine learning application, getting started on artificial intelligence is very easy. First, you teach MBlock to recognize different objects, and then program specific reactions made by Halocode accordingly.
3, 2,
Without connecting to the internet, you can make use of multiple Halocodes to set up a local area network. Or by connecting your Halocode to Wi-Fi, you can further apply cutting-edge technologies like IoT to create simple and smart home devices. Thanks to the outstandingly performing RAM and the dual-core microprocessor, Halocode is powerful enough to run several programs simultaneously. With 2 short programs in MBlock, you can, for example, create an art installation of a kitten that blinks and wags its tail at the same time. It makes coding easy, even if your project is intricate. With just a click, you can effortlessly convert the command blocks to Python to get yourself ready for text-based coding. Halocode also integrates various sensors. You can utilize the motion sensor to design a wearable fitness watch for step tracking, or make use of the touch sensors for a desk lamp. It empowers creation to be a way of life while having fun. Halocode encourages everyone to create fun projects and to experience the wonders of electronic technologies using both hardware and software. Yes, this is Halocode by Makeblock.